Racing Jazz is started with Ginger Halo. Break quickly to start. Fortune Island is running by the rail, rushing upon the outside. Anino. In the middle portion comes Warrior Flame. The next online Kapayapaan. Running by the rail is more or less Desert Star is strong and humble. Archangel Racing secondless. While Director's Hunter K is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch. We have Warrior Flame by about 2 lengths. Anino in second, running by the rail. Third is Fortune Island, rushing upon the outside is Kapayapaan, so sweet, more or less. Back to the leader, we have Warrior Flame battling Kenny Hap. Anino in second, more or less, is down on the inside. The next on line on the outside is Kapayapaan. Ginger Halo comes next. Fortune Island, Desert Star is strong and humble. Director Center Key, while Archangel now racing in less, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Warrior Flame, and on the outside, Anino. Kapayapaan is racing in third as they swing for home. Warrior Flame by about 2 lengths more or less. Now in second, moving upon the outside, Anino, so sweet, Desert Star. Last 75 meters, we have Warrior Flame. Desert Star is on the outside, and finally Warrior Flame. Desert Star more or less. Then comes Anino. Kapayapaan is strong and humble.
Number 6, Warrior Flame, crossing the Warpers, ridden by the birthday boy, O'Neil P. Cortez. Masisigundo yung 9. Desert Star, then more or less. Anino, 5, Kapayapaan, at 7, Strong and Humble. Ay, hanggang penta-pekta lang pala. 69215, yan ang ating unofficial placings.